Hey guys, it's Hoops here with another video. Yeah, I know, before you all say it, I look like a bit of a Aussie knob, but yeah, I've got the big straw hat on today. Going fishing. I'm gonna take the kayak out. Got the kayak on the roof of my car, and yeah, it's sweating hot. So I do look like a knob for a reason, because I don't want to get more sunburnt. So the other day I went out, I took my little face mask, I took a big floppy hat, and I still got sunburnt. So yeah, that's the plan, is to avoid getting burnt like a beetroot. And yeah, we'll go see if we can catch some skippy or some tailor. Hopefully the skippy is still running. So I've got a video out, which if you look up here, I'll leave a link or in the description somewhere there about the description of that video, where we were absolutely smashed by the skippy down here the other day, or the silver trevally. Anyway, we'll go launch the kayak and see how we go, and hopefully we can get onto some good fish. Woo! See you after the intro.
Welcome to Hooper's Mayhem. If that's your wish, you will see him try very hard to catch important fish. He will swing a detector round and round. He will find all kinds of treasures on the ground. He loves the caves, he loves the things, he loves just doing everything. To runs and smoking meat, he's a meat smoker that can't be beat. It's Hooper's Mayhem, Hooper's Mayhem, lots of mayhem, really mayhem, a mayhem, Hooper's Mayhem. Oh, won't you subscribe? Just subscribe. Please, I just want someone to subscribe. All my family have subscribed, and I need someone I don't know who'll subscribe. Subscribe. Love it. Subscribe.
Righto, have a look at that. Conditions are absolutely mint down here today. Flat as a tack. And the best part about it, there's absolutely nobody here, being that it's a Monday. So yeah, this is going to be a cracker day, hopefully. Right, it's pretty bloody windy, but we'll see how we go. Anyway, so what we're doing is using these lures here, just a baby slice, a size hook on the back of it, and yeah, this is my go-to lure every time I go for tailor. Let's have a bit of a flick. The wind is fairly pushing me today too, so interesting. Really want to head across the estuary. That's where I was getting those skippy yesterday. It's a long way. Knackered just coming from the boat ramp to here. Righto, I just have to do it. It's a big long trek across the other side of the estuary. It's going to take a while, but I know I can see a boat out there now, so I'm assuming they're probably doing exactly that from yesterday's amount of fish that were smashing up over there, but you never know. Anyway, I'm going to try and get across this estuary without getting blown out to sea. And then obviously when I come back, it shouldn't be too bad, because I think it'll be into the breeze, so that's the plan. I'm going to boot across and go and see if we can chase those big skippies again, and we should be able to sit right on there on the money spot over there, hopefully. But yeah, see you guys in 2 seconds for you, and about 5 hours for me, if it's not too bad. taking me ages. It's a good half an hour, maybe a bit more. And I've even got the wind, well, sort of pushing across me. So I don't know how I'm going to get back. I'll cross that bridge when I come to it. But I am probably about another 10 or 15 from my fishing spot, which is straight ahead from me just now. But what I'm going to do is go to the shore, have a breather, and I forgot to put one of the bungs in, so I'm going to just quickly make sure there's no water, and it doesn't feel like there is. But I'm going to, yeah, have a break. Over near these, the headland just over here, there's a bit of a rocky outcrop. I'm going to pull up on that little sandy beach just there and have a bit of a walk around, breather, and yeah, check out the kayak, make sure it's all good. And then we'll head over to our fishing spot, which is only probably about 500 metres from there, if that. So it should be pretty good. You might have to call for one of these guys. There's some jet skis in the background. I have to call for one of them to tow me back after. See how we go. Rightio. So we're back on shore now, so we'll go for a bit of a wander. I actually wanted to scope this area out anyway, so I want to do like a bit of a camp out over here this side one time and do a bit of a survival video. And yeah, just in this little bunch of mullet just real close here, jumped out of the water. So if it was to stay out on this little stretch, you can easily just like do a bit of use some rocks, some reef, and like block a little section off. So if they mullet pull up in here, school up in here, you block a little bit off, and as the tide goes down, they get trapped in here, and you can basically just walk up and grab them. So that's pretty cool. We got, it's a bit buried, but underneath this looks like a pelican skull. Have a look at that. See that there? That's pretty cool. Pretty gross, but pretty cool at the same time. So there's the skull of a pelican. It's his massive big beak with his tooth on the end there. And then that's his bottom part of his jaw. Pretty cool. Might go through the water here, just in case. See if we can see any crabs. There's a crab right there. See him. I'm hoping I can kayak basically through here in the shallows and get some headway through here, and then follow this coast around, because yeah, home's over there. Basically the wind is cut straight across, so it's going to just push me out that way, so it's going to be hard. So I'm hoping I can get across that way a fair amount and then use the wind to my advantage and sort of push me back towards the car, hopefully. But yeah, at the moment I'm quite content on just having a break. There's a little rock crab down in there. Yeah, not much of a camping spot here. Probably be better off where my kayak is. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to the kayak, chill for a bit, and then see what plan B is. Alright, had a bit of a break, probably not enough, but I'm gonna have to do it. The wind's only gonna get worse, so I'm gonna have to try. I've got a couple of options. One is to go completely over the other side that it's wanting me to go, call my folks or someone and get them to pick me up and then take me over to my car. Two is just to give it a go, which is probably what I'm going to do. But yeah, it's not very fast trying to go against the wind, but I'm hoping, like I said, I can get up a fair way, so that way I'm past the channel that is taking us out to the ocean, and then yeah, just bring myself back across over to my car using the wind as a bit of a help. But at the moment I'm just going to make my way slowly. I'm hardly getting anywhere, but it is moving forward slowly in the shallow waters. Anyway, once I hit that deeper water, it's going to be different. But yeah, I'll get my way across, and then yeah, hopefully once I get to the other side, I'll hit my other little spot again for some tailor, because that's right up next to where my car's parked, so I won't be too stressed then. But at the moment, I want a bit of high alert as to whether or not I'm going to be able to get back to my car. So yeah, we're fighting that wind the entire way at the moment, and it's really doing me energy really quickly. So see how we go. Righto, next little plan of the journey. I've just come, I don't know, probably 300 meters I suppose from where I was before. What I'm going to do is just try and drag my kayak along the beach as far as I can go. Let's see if I've got a rope. I found a bit of paracord. Hopefully it'll be enough. Don't bust me back trying to do this. Working extremely well. I'm quite surprised, and so I'm going to definitely make up a bit of speed doing this, less tiring as well, because there's a fair bit of coast here that I can just walk. So yeah, saves having a paddle against all of this, so it would have been an absolute nightmare. So my main worry is out the back there, probably the bridge in the distance. Hopefully I can zoom in on that for you. In the distance there's the bridge, and yeah, that's where the channel runs out straight through to the ocean, and the breeze is cutting straight across this way, heading straight towards that. So my idea is home's there, the bridge is there. I'm going to walk up probably a couple k's up the road here, and then try to get on it and hit the wind across. Hopefully it's enough to push me back over. So anyway, do a bit of walking. Just got to keep my eyes out for little crabs. There's tons of crabs here. No little ones, but still. Just like that. Alright, we'll be back shortly. Look at this, just a gathering of them. So oh, that's a nice one there too. Not that. Little blue again. Made a fair bit of ground. Oh, maybe a K. I was out on that. Goes around that point and around again, and then out in the deep section. Yeah. Anyway, that's how far I've come. And then yeah, right out and around that corner over there is pretty much where I was hoping to get to. And then I should be able to just scoot straight across. Fingers crossed. Here's something you don't see every day, apart from 10,000 freaking crabs everywhere. And look at this. I think this is an old boat, and yep, it's been torched. Look at it. Alright, where's all the freaking crabs hiding down here? Oh, Detroit diesel, far out. Hey? Look at it. A barge boat or something, it's not a wooden boat. But that's a big motor. Huge big V8 diesel. Yeah. Someone's... Righto. I don't know how far I've walked, at least 2 k's. I've passed that diesel engine boat, probably about a k back, maybe another k back around that corner, and I've probably only got about maybe another k that way. Yeah, we'll just stop right here, have a bit of a rest, and yeah, I'll head up over there, and hopefully, like I said, once we hit that point, it should be far enough past, just use that to get across. I could probably almost see my car from here. I zoomed in, probably see my car. But getting across that estuary just actually looks yeah, it's very deceiving. It looks like it's not that far, but then when you're paddling across it, especially into the wind, it's a big distance. Anyway, I'll try to preserve some of my battery and hopefully achieved the goal of getting across the talk to these guys soon. Righto. I'm at that corner now, but I still don't think it's far enough, especially going across, but it's a lot calmer where I am here. Instead of walking, I'm able to paddle at quite a decent pace, so hopefully when I get around this corner, I can still keep paddling a bit further south, and then yeah, then we make the descent across. So I'm about to hit the corner any second now. But we're fairly fanging through this bit, which is nice, because yeah, that walking was just killing me. I'm going to hit a tree, hang on, around that. Yeah, right on this corner, it's getting horrible. Oh yeah, this is sucky. Like a metre a minute, and having to make my way through all these big pinnacles sticking out everywhere. Glad I'm not walking through this bit. There's absolutely no way that I would have got. Oh, no way would I have got through here before. Oh man, this is horrible. So many big rocks. I want to go deeper to get past them. We're going to have to try and make my way over. Oh, this is absolutely horrendous. I just can't get around this corner. This wind is just chopping straight through here. I'm gonna have to power it on. I've got no energy. Making a bit of headway. I really don't know what I'm going to do. If I cut straight across, it's going to take me straight to that bridge. If I go like this into it, I'm going to be sitting in the one spot. Someone's going to have to come get me. Oh. Not a chance. I'm gonna have to go back to that shore just there. It's gonna take me straight through these big rocks. Oh. across this estuary. Absolutely not. Like I said, I'm fanging through this bit, but it's not like this all the way over there. Right, not sure what to do now. Dad might have to come out here with his boat. Have to call Mum. Whew. What a stupid idea. There's absolutely no chance I can get across there. Righto. This may make for a funny bloody video, I don't know. But I tried to paddle out, right out to that headland, right on the corner. It's actually called Point Grey. Well, a bit further around the corner is Point Grey. But it's still not far enough south for me to be able to travel back across the estuary. So I tried and I just absolutely wasn't going anywhere. I was getting smashed by rocks. And yeah, I've had to call in reinforcements. So I called my mum. My mum's out and about today because Mum and Dad are living with us at the moment in their van out the front whilst they're getting ready for their travelling. So Mum was out and she said she'll race back home and pick up my dad, and my dad's going to pick up my boat and launch the boat and come and pick us up. So, so yeah, help is on the way, but it's going to be about another hour. So here I am just sort of sitting under this tea tree at the moment, nestled in amongst some Melaleuca trees in some shade, and yeah, just watching the world go by. But yeah, hopefully about an hour's time, Mum and Dad, or Dad should be here, and he will be able to come and rescue me. But I don't know, he won't be able to probably pull the boat up here, so I'm going to have to paddle out a little ways. But by then I should have plenty of energy. And he's bringing me some water. So anyway, next time you see us, hopefully will be as I'm getting rescued from the tinny. So yeah, stick around. What a silly mistake. Alright, I've been rescued. There he is, putting in here to see me now. Yoo! I was out trying to be survival Steve and use a stick to try and catch some crabs, but I'm going to have to putt over to him, I think. I don't know if he'll get me. Oh, he might be able to make it here. We'll see how he goes. Yes! Alright, here he is. That's safe for me. He's shaking his head. The kayak's there. So I'm pretty stoked.
So you're to pull up your map on there, and I actually come back this way. I'm going to go down that way.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, you were down that way. I didn't even see you come across the estuary. Yeah. So it was lucky because yeah, I was out walking around trying to get some crabs with a stick, and then yeah, I just seen him come around the corner. So anyway, we're going to try and head back to the ramp, and we'll see you guys shortly. Alright, there we go. Oh, what a stupid freaking mission.
Don't get your rope on the other side.
Yeah, well, yeah. So Dad come to save me. Got the kayak tied up to the dinghy. And yeah, we're gonna go home. Alrighty guys, finally I've made it back to the correct side of the estuary. So that was the video. That's not how I had planned this adventure to go whatsoever. But you would have seen that last little stretch of coming back across the estuary. In shallow, it looks perfectly fine. Through the guts of it, it's absolutely freaking terrible. So there's absolutely no way I would have got back, and I'm glad and grateful for my dad to come out and come and grab us. So yeah. Anyway, that was supposed to be tailor fishing or skippy or catching something. and turned out to be a fight for survival. So I hope you guys like that video, even though it was a little not exactly the way it was supposed to be. But anyway, that is the video. So hopefully, yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, stay moist.